Good day everyone. Today I will be designing a task that incorporates both research and inquiry-based learning. But first, let's define briefly what research-based learning and inquiry-based learning are. So research-based learning, it is a specific approach to classroom teaching that places less emphasis on teacher-centered learning of contents, facts, and greater emphasis on students as active researchers. So in research-based learning approach, students actively search for and then use multiple sources, materials, and text in order to explore important, relevant, and interesting questions and challenges. They find, process, organize, and evaluate information and ideas as they build reading skills and vocabulary. While inquiry-based learning is a learning process that engages students by making real-world connections through exploration and high level of questioning. It is an approach to learning that encourages students to engage in problem-solving and experiential learning. So there is so much happening in our world that is worth our learners discovering and experiencing. From a teacher's point of view, inquiry-based learning focuses on moving students beyond general curiosity into the realms of critical thinking and understanding. You must encourage students to ask questions and support them through the investigation process, understanding when to begin and how to structure an inquiry activity. Later, I will group you into 4 members and then you will do a task incorporating inquiry-based learning and problem-based learning. But first, let's read the learning competency and objectives before proceeding to the task. So, learning competency. Compare and contrast how the elements are used in the different genres, while the objectives are identify different elements used in the book Unbroken and the Diary of a Young Girl. Second, compare how the elements of nonfiction such as setting, descriptive imagery, figurative language, plot, and characters are used in the Unbroken and the Diary of a Young Girl. Lastly, enhance critical thinking skills by analyzing how the elements of nonfictions are used between the 2 books. Here is the task. Search and analyze how the elements are used in the books Unbroken by Laura Hillenbrand and The Diary of a Young Girl by Anne Frank. So you are going to first read and search for the books Unbroken by Laura Hillenbrand and The Diary of a Young Girl by Anne Frank. Read them carefully. Second, identify the main elements of non-fiction such as the plots, characters, setting, and theme in each book. Third, analyze how the elements are used in each book. Fourth, compare and contrast how those elements of creative non-fiction are used differently in each book. Fifth, provide supporting details from the internet to support your analysis. You can use online resources and other multiple sources from the internet. Lastly, present your analysis using PowerPoint presentation and share it with the class. By incorporating technology, it enables students to enhance both inquiry and research processes. Technology allows students to search and examine the information that they get to see if it is accurate and authentic. It is also becomes a way for the students to search, find, process, and evaluate information that helps to enrich their critical thinking skills and research skills, which are essential skills in inquiry and research-based learning.